Almond Careers has been around for what, 11 years plus, and what we do is really simple. We need to give people hope that there is something more in them, all right, that they can actually bring out. So we only do that via training people in project management and business analysis, because these roles are roles that would never run out of work. You'd always have something to do as a project manager or as a business analyst. So the conference is a place where we all came together, sort of discuss our concerns, and ask questions to the possibilities of what could be. All right, there are jobs all over the place, but how do you get them? Most people don't know. They think it's by qualification, but it's not. Most of the jobs you find out there would only be possible via hands-on work experience, and this is where Almond Careers focuses on.
Right, a lot of people are skeptical because they feel like, okay, they probably don't have background knowledge on this. Probably they feel like, they need to be techie because it's a lot of IT and all that. I want to let you know that, you can delve into this. You don't need to be techie to do this. You don't need to have background knowledge in project management or business analysis for you to be able to thrive in this. The job opportunities are massive.
You need to have people that will guide you and point you in the right direction. I believe that that's what Almond is doing. I support their vision. I stand with Harry, stand with his team, and I believe that if you connect with them, the sky is your limit.
For everyone who has attended this conference, I want to encourage you to take it very personal. All right, do not take it for granted. Make our time to go through whatever that have been said here today. Do not take whatever anyone tells you like, oh, it doesn't matter, you can take any job. No. Focus on this particular program and you see yourself bringing out the juice from it. And sky is going to be your stepping stone.
For you to be a project manager or a business analyst, you don't have to take your skill abroad. There are things you can do here successfully in Nigeria as a PM and a BA. In fact, we need more of these skills in the country. And Almond Career has done justice to that today.
This is our first conference in Nigeria and it's been a huge success. Thank you to all of you who have been here. We're going to have another one next year, so get ready. It's going to be even more explosive than this one.